now these idiots are making a fire. Look at that freaking fire. What are we going to do with that now? Look at this bunch of fire. This is fire. And I'm drunk. Ramon, what are we doing with this fire?
Out of your high.
I'm not high. I don't smoke. What's wrong with this guy? This guy's crazy. So anyway, where do you go? There's Ramon playing with a fire. More fire, more fire. Ay, a day si Ramon. Tomorrow, Ramon. You need to just like not play with fire. You know what I mean? Ramon. Look at that. Everyone's trying to make fires. Don't they know that fires need bomberos to put out?
Yeah, we gotta go.
Or, yeah, we have to do this, so I'm like, alright. I mean, like, he's like, oh, it's my place to make it for safe and secure.
We're just gonna play that one up, and I'm like, alright.
That was a good fire, though. Now you gotta put it out.
I know, right? We putting out. We did work on it. We did work on it.
We did work on it.
And now this is our fire going out. Oh shit.
Uh-oh. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Watch out, it's gonna explode. It's gonna slip on me.
Don't do it, never mind.
I think it's gonna turn off by itself. No? No, it's not itself. That's even worse. Yeah, that's
Uh-oh.
But it was cool to look at though. Just throw sand over it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Look at these. At these. Uh-oh, there goes the fire. No more fire, no more fire. Ay, de lástima. Lástima. Ay, de fire extinguishers. I guess
why don't you guys start like
we really don't need bomberos. Huh. Fire's over.